when of course it became now necessary for President Kibaki to reach out to us as ODM Kenya. His party was PNU. The country was burning. The negotiations were very interesting. It was a shuttle here and there, but we were not guided by what eventually would happen. The immediate thing was to save and rescue the nation state of Kenya and to stop the bloodletting. And that is when then, of course, I was given a privilege to serve as the 10th vice president of our country. Not appointed by Kibaki, but negotiated position. It was the first negotiated position and the first coalition before the Kofi Annan-led talks that brought on board our friends from ODM. Yeah, before ODM came in, there was a coalition between PNU and ODM Kenya, which stopped bloodletting. And Kenyans should be able to remember that.
You're a Democrat. You have weathered a lot of turbulence so far for the sake of all of us in this country.
President Kibaki was an amazing person. He really was so good. He made everybody feel at home. You remember his clarion comments sometimes like enjoy. Yeah, even when difficult moments were facing us, enjoy, relax. But of course, at other times, he would use tough language like something ya kuku, all right? But that was him. Even then, you know, in our African tradition, mzee akifika umri huo, he can say things which I can't say. That was President Kibaki. But I had a wonderful working relationship with him. And I think at the tail end of his presidency, I remember him holding a bakora and driving through Machakos to Kitui for us to go and plant trees. I remember telling the people of Machakos, now I've really enjoyed working with Vice President. Sasa tumsaidie tumpeleke mbele. But that was Kibaki and as he was. But of course he had himself an